El Puente de Piedra, located in Cabo Rojo region of Puerto Rico, is a hidden gem that captivates visitors with its pristine natural beauty and serene atmosphere. Please subscribe. The Puente de Piedra translates to stone bridge as it's a natural bridge in the southwestern part of Puerto Rico. This bridge has become popular in recent years due to social media and local magazine attention. Locals also call it El Puente Natural. Puente de Piedra is located near the Cabo Rojo Lighthouse. You can reach the lighthouse, this natural bridge, and the beautiful Playa Sucia by taking the Cabo Rojo Lighthouse Trail. Puente de Piedra is a must-visit when in Puerto Rico, as well as the entire Cabo Rojo Peninsula. Please subscribe.
We love you.